welcome back to Spirit Seers Cocktail Corner. Today we're making the Prague. This is a cocktail we've been working on to kind of highlight our very favorite Notum. It's an Amaro that is made here in Salt Lake by Water Pocket Distillery. So let's go ahead and start building this. This will be a stirred drink today. And first we are going to do 2 ounces of the Notum. And the reason we settled on the name Prague is this Notum is based on a recipe from the Czech-German area, and so just thought it was kind of fitting that we put it back to its heritage with the name. So that was 2 ounces of the Notum, and now we are going to do 1 ounce of sweet vermouth, and we like the Antica. It's kind of the best sweet vermouth we can get here in Utah. Then we're gonna do a 1/4 ounce of lemon juice. This is a really easy drink. You can make it up quite quickly with minimal ingredients. If you don't have Notum or the Antica formula, just grab whatever sweet vermouth you can find, and then really you can sub out any Amaro that you can find. So now let's add some ice to this. Now we're just gonna stir it until I start feeling it like kind of frost around the glass, and then I know the dilution is happening. My hands got sticky with. So now we are going to strain it, and this is the one time I actually like having a julep strainer. And you just stick it in there. Perfect. Now we're going to just get a little lemon peel and we're going to just spritz it, but we're not going to put it inside of it. Now let's try the Prague. That's delicious. It's very mellow as far as like the bitter from the Amaro. And you get the nice lemon up front, but then it just like blends into a sweet, like herbal flavor that just like lingers. And there it is, the Prague. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel. We have a link tree in our bio. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks.